Vinita, I heard about your mobile library for kids in rural areas. That's seriously inspiring.
Thanks, Neha. It's something I've dreamt of doing for a long time.
So, how did you finally make it happen?
I'd been regularly investing in small cap funds.
Oh, I've heard of those. Can you tell me more?
Small cap funds are mutual funds that invest in smaller companies, typically those ranked 251st and beyond by market capitalization. These companies have the growth potential which may offer potential risk-adjusted returns over time, but with a higher level of risk.
That's amazing. Your investment supported something so meaningful.
It helped me stay focused on my goal. Regular investing with a clear purpose can truly make a difference over time.
On top of investment की हर जानकारी प्रोग्रेसिव एंड फोकस्ड है ये एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी an investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.